Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I am going to talk slowly and I'm going to talk about my favourite season. So my favourite season is probably summer because I like warm weather. I like sunshine, I like blue skies, and I like long days. So in Ireland, in summer, our sun rises maybe at 4 in the morning and it sets in the evening at about 11:30. So sunrise is when the sun comes up, and sunset is when the sun goes down in the evening. So our day is quite long, and I really like that because it gives you more motivation to do things later in the evening. In winter in Ireland, the day can be very short, very short. So sunrise can be at 7:30 or 8 in the morning, and sunset could be 3:30 or 4 in the afternoon. So if you are at work, almost all of your day is spent in the darkness because you drive to work and it's dark or it's just beginning to get bright, and then you are inside in your job all day, and then when you leave work again, the sun has already set, so it's already dark outside when you leave work. So for this reason, I prefer summer. To be fair, summer in Ireland is not very predictable. So we don't exactly know when summer in Ireland will come or for how long it is going to last. We might have a couple of weeks of really nice weather with sun, blue skies, nice temperatures of 15 to 20 degrees. But we don't know when that will be, because we can have rain and wind and 11 degrees in July and August, basically the same as we might have in December. So if I had to pick a month that I would recommend visiting Ireland, it would probably be May, because in May usually there is slightly better weather. It's starting to get a little bit warmer, maybe 15 degrees, up to 20 degrees. And we have long days. So the peak for our long days, our longest day, is on the 21st of June. So from April until then, the days are getting gradually longer and we can enjoy these nice long evenings. So we, of course, can't be sure of the weather, but this is my favourite month because of having a better chance of higher temperatures and longer days. Tell me, what is your favourite month and why? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.